As an Amazon seller, do you often fail to find necessary keywords or identify the precise keywords? Today I will introduce to you a free tool called ASIN Keywords Finder. 4Seller is an omni-channel e-commerce ERP that helps you easily manage business in real time across multiple channels, including ASIN Keywords Finder. Get keywords for free with one-click input. Before we start, we should first understand how to find the tool entry quickly and accurately. Find the 4Seller Amazon Tools extension plugin program in the Chrome Web Store, download and install it. Type 4Seller in the search bar. After you add it successfully, a small icon of the building block status will appear in the upper right corner of the browser. After finishing it, open the Amazon product page. Click the extension plugin program. Continue to click ASIN Keywords Finder, and it will automatically jump to the keyword search page. In addition, you can also directly click the Q 4Seller icon. Besides this, enter the official website by enter4seller.com. Find the Tools button in the upper right corner, click the ASIN Keyword tool, and you can successfully enter the keyword search page. The following is very important. Here are steps to use this tool. Keywords, search ranking, trend, growth rate. Click concentration and SUG PPC bid are official data obtained from the Amazon platform. Competition level is an original and exclusive algorithm developed by the 4Seller team. You can intuitively select high-quality products with low market competition. The keywords captured from Amazon are displayed in sequence here, and you can directly jump to the Amazon search page for this keyword by clicking it. Search ranking means changes in frequency ranking for this keyword search on Amazon in the last 30 days. The thumbnail chart in trend shows how the keyword has changed in the past 12 months corresponding to specific dates. And search rankings. Growth rate refers to the difference between last week and this week's ranking divided by the previous week's ranking, and then multiplied by 100% so as to see the growth of the ranking. Click concentration index is the total percentage of top 3 ASIN clicks. To a certain extent, it reflects the monopoly of keywords in the segment. Suggestion PPC bid is from Amazon's suggested bid range and suggested bids for the keyword. Competition level is obtained after combining 3 indicators: a combination of search ranking, top 3 ASIN click share, and PPC suggested bids. According to a special algorithm, hot keywords are selected by positive order, sorted based on keyword search frequency ranking. Trend keywords is sorted in reverse order by subtracting the value of this week's search rank from last week's. Recommend keywords are selected from keywords whose competition level is medium and whose search trend is rising. In filter, you can customize the setting conditions to filter out the data you want. If you are a logged-in user, click the export button to download the collected keywords form. Don't wait, let's search it.